we're going to take a look at an analytic. This particular analytic is the OE Order Status Management Board. It is designed to look at these different statuses of orders. If you're familiar with Macola, order statuses 1 through 9, even 10, they're located over here, so you can easily see what's open for a pick ticket, what's shipped, billed, and invoiced. So I'm going to go ahead and pop over and take a look at the real thing. And I have the component open on my desktop. By the way, there is a concept of a startup, and you can have an individual component or a group of them automatically start whenever you open Agility. Now, as I mentioned, when you click on these different graphic items, it shows you the results down below. You can still sort and filter and look around here. If you want to pick just one customer, you can do that. Just see one customer. You can clear the filter down below and go back to everything. But it's an easy way to see what's happening during the day. The idea is that your open pick tickets are going down and your shipments and billing and invoicing is going to go up. So it's pretty easy to work with. While we're here, let's just pop over and take a look at the same thing in a browser. Some people like the browser interface. It's bigger, it's a little easier to read, and again, it's easy to set up as just a browser link. Again, if you click on these different bars, it gives you data down below, just like the other one did. Pretty easy to work with. So that is how we get started as looking at some of the differences between one of the components on the desktop versus the one on the browser. Let's take a look at a few more.